So what I'm going to show you guys right now is how to use the color tones. So I am using a color tone which is technically an infuser, and I am going to use it with a green marker. So I am going to infuse the green with yellow in order to create a gradient that will move from yellow to green. So I am going to first use the Sharpie or the fine line side of the pen to create my leaf shape. And then I am going to use the brush side of the pen to color it in, basically. So that is what I will be doing. So I am putting the cap on the Sharpie side, and I am going to infuse the green with the yellow color. So this is what the yellow color tones are, or like the color tones, really. I'm just using yellow. So it's the same thing, like you just infuse it, you put it in a vertical position, you count X amount of seconds, like I used about 10 seconds because it's a small leaf really. And then I am just going to gradually paint my leaf and see how the yellow comes out first, and then slowly but surely the green comes out because it is a green marker. So that is all is happening, and I am going to do the exact same thing over again. You just have to make sure that your color tone infuser touches the tip of the green, and then put it vertically, count a few seconds, and then infuse it again. So I just wanted to show you guys really quickly how this works. And as you can tell, I am going to paint again where the yellow will come out first, and then the green, and that is all. So I hope you really guys enjoyed this like super extra quick tutorial on Chameleon color pens. And if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks, bye. Sorry, one last thing that I forgot to mention is that when you put your Chameleon colors back, they have to click. Like, unless they click, they are not sealed correctly. Like, when you put them like back in your little spaces, they have to click. So make sure that they click. Now, I am going to use an Emott marker fine liner, and you can also find it in the description to put the fine lines on my leaves. You can use any fine liner really, but I will leave you guys with a fine line little ASMR, if you guys want to call it that. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this little detail part of the video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.